Hey there, welcome to another video in the Learn APL with Neural Networks series. This is going to be a very short video where I'll just let you know what we will be doing now. So at this point we have a, let's call it a neural networks framework that is not very generic yet, but it's fairly flexible and it already works. And what we will do right now, well, not right now, but in these next videos, is train a network to take images like these, so images of these handwritten digits you can see here, and we will teach the network to recognize the digits. So we are going to do like a practical example. And in order to do that, by the way, this is the MNIST Dataset, so you can see over there, this is from the Wikipedia article. Can I go back? Yes, I can. We're going to use this MNIST dataset, which is a fairly well-known dataset that contains a couple dozen thousand. Gosh, how do you say that? It has 70,000 images that we are going to work with. And for you to access this dataset, this is fairly easy to find online, but in order to make it easier for us, we are going to use a format that is a little bit more processed. So we are going to use a CSV file. And you can see here, that I already have it in here. I have this folder with the data, and there's two main files, and then a third one where I just jotted down how I found this data in the first place. So I'll leave you a link in the description to download this data, and be sure to download it before you start with the next video. And that's essentially it. You should download these CSV files, and the smaller one should have 10,000 lines, and it should look a little bit like this. So it's a CSV file with plenty of integers, and if you go to the end of it, there's 10,000 lines with numbers, and then the larger one has 60,000 lines. So go ahead, download this data, read about it online if you want to, and then come back so that we can start recognizing these handwritten digits with the neural networks you implemented. So see you next time. Bye.